So today I am going to be the second look in my rainbow series, and it is for the color orange. I have found a very cool eye look that I am excited to show you guys. It is like a sunset. I'm actually going to have it look like a sunset. So my babies are looking at me like, who are you talking to? My 2-year-old, she's like, who the heck are you talking to? I really hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. I'm gonna start with my eyes. I am going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer. My daughter is making me spray this at her face because she thinks it's funny. But yeah, I'm just going to use this basically as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm also not going to set, I look insane, oh my gosh. I'm also not going to set the concealer because I want to make the orange shadow that I'm going to use pop, so I'm not going to set it. So I'm going to go into my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm trying to get this open. And I'm going to start with this orange color right here up at the top corner, and I'm going to use my Morphe JH40 brush, I think. And because I didn't set it, I'm just going to kind of pack this shadow onto the crease. Not exactly pack, but just place it before I blend. And then I'm going to use my Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm going to use this light orange right here. I'm going to use this to blend this shade out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm going to take my Morphe JH33 brush. All of my brushes are tinted a certain color. I'm going to use the orange right here, and I'm going to make this a little bit more orangey. Not so burnt orange, but more just like full orange. More of like a bright orange. So I'm going to blend this all around. So then I'm going to take my Morphe JH41 brush. I'm going to go back in with the orange that we used earlier. I'm going to go in the outer corner, also in the inner. So then I'm going with another brush. Are you tired of brushes by now? I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH42 brush and take a little bit of concealer from the top. I'm going to try to create a sun on my lid. So basically, And then I'm going to go in with should have grabbed this before I started this. I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use the yellow in the NYX palette. And pack it on the concealer. Okay, so I just wiped the excess eyeshadow from underneath my eyes, and I added a little bit more of that orange right around where the sun is, and then I cleaned up the brow bone area with a little bit of the cream eyeshadow that's in the Morphe palette. And now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So then I'm going to go in with the same concealer, the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and put that underneath my eyes, on my acne, and just in the center of my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Rcma No Color Powder and set my face with this. Use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 310 and throw it on the floor. And use my Morphe M533 brush to apply it. And then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match blush. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. illuminating palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here and my Morphe M504 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to fill in my brows with my Essence Eyebrow Gel. Or, yeah, I think it's called Eyebrow Gel, yeah. And so then I'm going to curl my lashes, and you know it, my Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. I use this all the time. I just really like the wand in it, and it's a good it's a really good mascara. So okay, so now I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild lipstick, and this is in Honolulu is Calling, apparently. That's a weird name. I don't know why they give these things such weird names that you can't pronounce and you sound like an idiot. But it's like it's almost like a red, but I feel like it's like an orangey kind of color. And I'm going to just apply that. Okay, so this is the completed makeup tutorial. I really like the eyeshadow and that I was able to actually create something that looks like an actual sun on my eye. So it actually looks like a sunset. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.